All right, so we're at the Greek kitchen and we are cooking some Greek food. Let's have some fun. I'm back in cooking school. 15 years later, I never thought I'd be back here.
What we're gonna do first is like prepare the dough that we need to make it phyllo dough after that, okay?
Okay.
From the recipe I know, we use two types of flour. We use the plain flour, you know, the white one, and also a harder yellow one. Like up, you know.
It's about a cup?
It's half cup,
Half cup?
but it's half cup of everything. So now, come on, make your hands dirty. It has to be together, alright? We don't want the water to be quite, you know, quite hot. Do that. Alright?
Yep.
And now, a little bit of vinegar. So now I will put Greek's best product, a little bit of olive oil, okay? So now I want you to mix it up, okay? You will do it, I will not do nothing.
Oh, sticky fingers.
No problem. Here some flour, press it, and then from out in to make some air in order to be more easy to make it thick after that. If you suspect it to be sticky, you have to add a little bit flour more, okay? Now,
Yep.
scratch it here, okay? Make a ball of it. Put some flour in your hands. Okay. Put some flour in order not to stick. The actual stick my mom has since she married my dad.
So this is your mom's?
Yeah.
This has history. This is older than me.
She doesn't understand English. I will say you are very, very famous. Okay.
Okay. You heard it here, I'm famous.
Yeah. What I'm doing now, it's a pre-procedure. As I take it out here, I have it with a big stick.
Just to get it going.
Flour it. You see, we're gonna use lots of flour. And phyllo, open, ready. We don't use that, we need that because it's heavy and gives us the ability to make the dough like that. I leave it, I throw it away, I throw it out of the window, I don't care now about it, okay? It's not my friend anymore. Flour here.
Lots of flour.
2. And now that I have opened it, comes the technique. Okay, I will do one and then you do the other. Flour it up. And comes in here, okay? Now, you see, it starts to get wider and wider and wider.
Mm-hmm. Making that phyllo, that's going to take a bit of practice. Using that big delt. I still think I can get away with using my big one I have. It's a little bit longer, a little bit heavier. I think I can make even strokes. Yeah. I think I can do it. I'll make it work.
It's not the way you're supposed to.
Psh. Let's evolve it.
Go all around the post.
That's nice and thick. Ooh, workout tonight!
No.
Look at that.
The egg is quite orange, it's quite fresh. You have ruined phyllo, okay? What do you do? You make a recipe with ruined phyllo, okay? We will crack your phyllo in here, but if we never put it back the way it was, it would never be capable to have it like that, okay? That smells good, that smells good.
What is that?
Vanilla sugar.
Vanilla, can I get that? I've never seen that.
Sorry?
How did you get that?
I bought it.
From where?
From the market.
The market has
Yeah.
that?
The market has everything, I told you before, didn't I?
Why didn't you show me this? This is crap.
I will cook you
This
with
is the white stuff.
You like that?
I like that. So good.
I will make you tzatziki.
So, dill and tzatziki or not?
I prefer dill.
We have it, people. We have it. We're in Athens. He said dill goes in it. It's going that way. Every time I post my recipe, it starts a war between dill or no dill.
No, dill.
Dill and dill.
But you find many people say no dill, you know.
Many people.
It's the constant fight, okay? Like for example, what to say now? Maybe we are with friends and we are about to order some souvlaki, okay? Some people say let's not buy from there because they put dill in the tzatziki, okay? I say no. That's the reason we have to support the shops that put dill to tzatziki. So, if you listen to me, add dill to tzatziki. Dill is good. Dill is good.
This is like a made daily in my house. Her favorite thing is tzatziki.
We
gotta be thick.
don't want people to believe that it needs to be as big as you are to make it tzatziki, okay?
Yes, you
So
do. You have to have those arms.
Yeah, you're very muscular. So no, even less muscular people can make tzatziki, okay? Believe me. Now, what else do we miss?
Vinegar.
No, I don't put vinegar in tzatziki. No, I don't like it. Do you like vinegar?
Yeah, it gives it a little bit of a little bite. Balancing, balances it.
It covers everything. So
No. Do a small amount. Very small.
small doesn't count, so don't put. It's a melody of happiness. Woo! It makes me feel wanna. Woo! Try to smash it, alright? Bottom, I need, some white wine here.
Is that white wine?
It's white wine. Yeah, we will lower the fire in order to simmer it.
Yeah.
When it will
Bring
be...
to a boil, bring down the simmer.
Mm-hmm.
So 3 tablespoons.
I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why do you become a cook?
Because I just enjoy it.
You like food.
I like
That's the
food
reason.
and I like teaching people.
Okay, that's for sure something you do right.
Going over him, like, is he in there?
But, okay, whisk it. We don't want to approach the bottom because it will burn.
Yep.
Leave some merge on the top. What the bechamel?
It's like a hybrid of yumista and mozzarella.
Exactly, that's why
Moussaka.
it's moussaka stuffed tomato. It's a hybrid. You know how colorful it is? And we need some white in there.
Short grain.
Fact rice. It's a mistake to put.
Too much.
Look at this. Look at this. How nice it is now. Okay, you want to eat it,
I
don't
do
you?
good.
Okay.
Alright, so we just roll it up over.
Mm-hmm.
Right here.
Tuck it in.
I tuck it in.
Yeah. And ensure. Exactly. Psst. Come on, I see it coming. We're gonna have dolmatas today with my friend AJ. Nice. It's
That's good?
Quite good. Yeah, it's actually very nice. Bravo, AJ.
I'm gonna
You
be your
smashed
best
it.
Yeah, good job.
You smashed it. Do you know how to roll burritos?
Yes.
Okay, that's why, okay. I forgot that you may have cooked burritos. Okay, it's pretty much the same thing. It's a small burrito.
It's a tiny
A
burrito.
tiny burrito. Okay, okay, don't disappoint me. Let's go. AJ, okay, he scores. It's a fabulous goal for Greek-Canadian friendship. Put them in circles, okay? We have an outer circle, then an inner circle, and then we place them in layers, alright?
I like them.
Guys, this is so much fun. Greek kitchen, definitely worth coming and taking a chance and trying to make your own meal. Look at that. First time rolling dolmatas, and I think they're coming out pretty snazzy looking. We'll surprise our chef. Come back and all the dolmatas are made. He'll want to hire me. Woo. This one's not going to be as big. Not a lot of filling, but it will look pretty. Look at that. Who says you can't make dolmatas?
Until it looks polluted from the oil, okay, you know.
Do you add lemon zest or lemon?
We add lemon 5 minutes before we take them out. Take it down in the top of the stove, okay? And then 5 minutes before we take it out, we add the lemon, people, okay?
Okay. So we got lemon, sugar, and water?
Orange.
Orange, oh sorry, orange, yes. Our beautiful dolmatas, our tzatziki we've made. I forgot to record my yummy style hybrid of moussaka, but I got a video of it, so we had that, along with we're just waiting for our desserts to come down. How was it, Shannon? Look at that. And she's not a fan of dolmatas, but she likes my dolmatas now.
Okay.
Like the locals came up with this dish when they had no money.
Yeah.
That's awesome. There's our beautiful orange pie. He ripped it out while it was too hot and it kind of broke, but you know, we're in a rush here, so leave it overnight and it might come out a little bit better. It might hold together a bit better, and the flavors of the orange syrup will go through it a lot better.
You filmed that?
Mm-hmm. Top. Oh, that's our bugatza.
Yeah.
You got this? Look at that. There you go.
Add more sugar. Do you know how they make it? Wait. They do what? Cut it in half. You know? And throw in here. In Thessaloniki, for example, you will see. And they have it like that, within their powder sugar.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. All right, foodies, that's it. We made all of our meals. As you can see, they all came out amazing. If you're in Athens, make sure you check out the Greek kitchen. Learn some cooking techniques of your own. Come check out with my friend here.
Hi everyone. Hello. Come to Greece, find us, eat good. The bad guy.
We got the mad titan here, Thanos. Next time you're in Athens, make sure you check out the Greek chicken.
The Greek chicken is awesome as well, okay?
Make sure you check out the Greek kitchen. This guy, Thanos, will teach you so many great recipes. He did a custom one for us. What other things do you offer in the course?
You're gonna have like a spinach pie, you're gonna have eggplant-based food called Imam FOOD-DEE. We offer that a lot. You're gonna make the best tzatziki you could ever really give the opportunity to have.
With dill?
With dill, okay, tzatziki needs dill, okay? That's for sure. And yeah, this kind of stuff, you know, many ordinary recipes, very traditional things, family food. We provide here an experience that really makes you think like you are with cousins and we all cook together, okay?
Like a family.
Like a family, yeah, like we do it on Sunday with our family. That's what we really offer.
All right, great. So we're going to sit down and eat our meal, and we'll see you guys at the next place.